Okay guys, just like I have told you in most of my videos that most of these assets are trend trading assets, and it is always important you understand the trend. And of course you should also understand that there is something called support zone, and we also have the resistance zone. Okay, so if you are able to identify all these, then you will be able to trade most of these assets very well. Okay, the problem we usually have is that we don't know how to identify some of these things. For instance, for this particular chart, this is the next 1200. Okay, down here this particular chart actually got to the support zone around here. So we feel that it should change the direction of the trend, but however it can also break out below this support zone. If it breaks out below the support zone, then it will keep on selling. If it does not, then it will change the direction of the trend. But since it's unable to break out below the support zone here, the indicator, the 3M indicator, it's actually a custom made indicator that helps us to know the direction of the trend. It helps us to know when to go into the market and when not to go into the market, depending on the trend we want to trade. Okay, so it gave us a signal for the trend right here, that the trend is about to change into an uptrend. Okay, so and it also gave us a buy signal around here, and if you should notice, it's got here had a pullback, which is normal because it is still within the support zone. And of course later on it broke out above this resistance region and it kept on buying. You can see it gave us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity at this point. Since the indicator is giving us an uptrend from this support region, will definitely go for the buy signal instead of waiting on the sell signal. So I'll rather go for the buy signal and set a stop loss somewhere around here. Okay, so that in case the market misbehave, then definitely it will hit my stop loss and reduce the loss which I will be having at that point. If you should notice, it went on buy trend and it wanted to misbehave right here, but it didn't get to the stop loss and it went back up again. So there will always be pullbacks each time the market is on a particular trend. Okay, so we had a pullback here, we had another pullback here, and it went up again, add another pullback here, and it went up again. So you can see the smooth movements of the trend right from here up to this very moment. Okay, so if you are able to get the trend right, then you will definitely milk the market for a very long time. Okay, right here it got to this resistance, or was unable to break out from there, so it gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal. So what should we do? We should sell at this point and put our stop loss somewhere at the top right here in case it's misbehaved. Okay, so you can see it went down and got to this region but was unable to go further because of the support zone around there. Okay, so it played around there to see if it will be able to break out below the support zone, but since it's unable to break out from there, it pushed it back into an uptrend and came down again, but this time around it went up fully to break out above that resistance zone and it's got to a new resistance zone. Okay, so each time the movement is taking a unique action, the trend indicator is also giving us support. It is indicating those actions to us so that we will know what we should do at that point. Okay, so right now it has gotten to this resistance zone. Okay, and it was unable to break out from there. The trend indicator has also given us a new indication around here, telling us that it will be going on downtrend. And of course, if you should look at this market structure, this is giving us the M vibes. Okay, so definitely it's going to sell. Okay, and of course, if you should check out this also, the trend line, at least it should get to this trend line, and if it breaks out from there, then definitely we expect it to get to this horizontal line, and if it breaks out from there, then we also expect it to get to this particular spot also. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then it should get here. Then if it now breaks out from here, guys, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so that is how it works, but for now it is still selling. For those of you who are having the indicator, I believe you should be selling right now, and you should be in huge profit right now, because this is 5-minute time frame. And of course, if you have not opened it, I will advise you to open it up and try to go into it right now. Okay, I will be stopping right here. For those who are looking for a way to get this indicator, I'm going to drop the link to where you can get most of these trading tools which I am using in the description box, and of course you also find them in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me if you wants to deal with me directly. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.